I built mine for the track. I streeted a lot. I used to daily it. I love coming to shows with Inspire, so that's pretty much my purpose, just the main three things that everyone wants to do with their car. Yeah.
I built mine for the power, I guess, and how I like it, not how everybody else wants the car, right. I would say. So I kind of went ballsy on it, so I wanted to be different, not like everybody else how they have 2 turbos instead of 1.
Yeah. 2
cost more, obviously, but mine sits in a far area where it's unique and different. I'm at 605 on 10 power boost.
I'm at 360 with the bolt-ons. Main thing everyone does is the dependability. I could drive this every day, don't have to warm it up for 10 minutes, hop in and drive it.
Oh, it's fully built, so I had to go crazy on it. I spent probably about 10 grand just on the motor alone.
Just got the bolt-on spool and fill headers, Sandberg intake, and radiator setup. Pretty basic FD swap stuff. About 10 grand, I would say, at least, yeah.
They already make the mounts for them, right?
Yeah, they make everything you can make for the kit. Everything you can buy, nothing custom made. Yeah, that's pretty much what you're going to be in it.